Welcome, young learners. Today, we are going to learn about something very special called the International Phonetic Alphabet, also known as the IPA. The IPA is like a secret code that helps us understand how words sound. It uses different symbols for different sounds to show us how to say words correctly. Isn't that cool? Let's dive in and explore how the IPA helps us unlock the mystery of sounds and words. Are you ready to join the adventure? But before we continue, you need to know that when we search words using the IPA, they are enclosed within slash marks. The code, or IPA, we use a symbol to identify the sound. Most of these sounds are only used in the English language. That's why we have a reference word that includes the sound. Consonants. 1. Back. 2. Day. 3. Mother. 4. Jump. 5. Few. 6. Girl. 7. Hot. 8. Yogurt. 9. Key. 10. Leaf. 11. Mary. 12. Nancy. 13. Song. 14. Pen. 15. Red. 16. Sugar. 17. Fish. 18. Tea. 19. Chair. 20. Think. 21. View. 22. Woman. 23. Zero. 24. Vision. Vowels. 1. Bad. 2. Palm. 3. Blanc. 4. God. 5. Bite. 6. Owl. 7. Tire. 8. Tower. 9. Cot. 10. Boy. 11. Destroyer. 12. Bed. 13. Hair. 14. Make. 15. Player. 16. Alarm. 17. Note. 18. Lower. 19. Bird. 20. Pretty. 21. Sheep. 22. Ship. 23. Here. 24. Boot. 25. Put. 26. Pour. 27. Cut. An apostrophe means that the stress goes at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the syllable. The colon means that the sound is long.